Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We have a special new listing here right in the heart of Avalon, the Live Oak Village 1 of Avalon Park, Orlando, Florida. We are just steps away from downtown Avalon Park with all the 10+ restaurants, shops, music schools, dance schools, all the fun stuff. We have a community pool. I can see it just a block away. We have the 5-acre Live Oak Park just steps away as well right there in this village. And then we have top-rated Avalon Elementary just behind us. You'll see that on the drone. And everything else is within walking and biking distance, the beauty of Avalon Park. And so this house is a very, very special jewel here, not only because of the location I just described, but also the house itself. Unique opportunity. First of all, it's overlooking a nice street. Second of all, it's huge. 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, tons and tons and tons of upgrades. It's at a steal right now. It's got a brand new roof as of last year, newer ACs, you name it, just turn the key, come in, let's go check it out, let's go. Okay, so right when we enter the home, you'll notice the beautiful polished terrazzo tile throughout the entire home on the ground floor here. We have the office with the gas burning fireplace on your left. Plenty of room in there as well. And then you have the formal dining room, which flows into the kitchen. And also there's porch access directly with the French doors up front here. And so we'll come check out this. We have the half bathroom and then to the family room here, which is nice. It opens up into the Florida room, which is a very nice cascading design that was actually an upgrade since the home was originally built. It adds a lot more square footage and leaves plenty of room still for the back patio, as you can see. But this is all air conditioned, permitted. It's a nice feature that's very unique here, one of a kind. And then we see the kitchen, which is a very open floor plan concept. Of course, you have the granite countertops, the upgraded cabinets, stainless steel appliances, all very modern, very new. It's a modern feel in here for sure. The little coffee bar, the fridge, and then back into the formal dining. And in the back, we have a full bathroom, okay, down here. And then we have the 3-car garage, which leads into the alleyway, which is very common here in the near traditional style here in Avalon Park. And then we'll come around and I'll show you the upstairs. All right, welcome upstairs. You'll notice the real hardwood floor everywhere. We have the first bedroom here, which is featured as a gym right now as an example. We have the laundry room upstairs, which the washer and dryer are staying. We have bedroom number 2 with hardwood floors. We have the common area bathroom with tub. And then we have bedroom number 3, 4, and the master, which I'll have to leave as a surprise for you guys. The shower and the bathroom is totally upgraded. It's amazing. You have to come see it in person. It's also wired for surround sound, in addition to the family room as well. There's a lot of wiring for surround sound in here, a lot of other features that are listed in the description. Let's go check out up front. All right, so coming out of bedroom 3's door, we have a special surprise here, an upstairs porch. Very unique here as well. You hear the kids playing. So it's a great opportunity here. Special treat here to buy this home. Again, 13139 Royal Fern Drive in Orlando, Florida. Beautiful Avalon Parks Village 1. My name again is Philip Colbridge here with Top Orlando Homes and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. My number's on the screen, 321-287-3913. Come see us soon.